All right, Toosters and 2 bits. Y'all know who it is, man. It's your boy. I'm back once again, and I'm on another video. Man. 71 Chevelle. I told y'all we was doing a swap in this one. This one I did my first paint job on. What we got there, Puncho?
What's up?
2017 C7. As you can see how much work goes into this sucker. This is straight out the Corvette, straight into the Chevelle. No way, no how. No way, no how. So we got to trim this thing down, man, get it to fit where we'll be able to at least turn the key. It got to sit all behind. It can't sit that far out, man. It cannot sit that far out and pass the test. So we're going to start trimming the sucker, getting this thing trimmed up till we get it to fit, make it fit perfect. We got the door panels. This is all it is for a console, so this is all it is for the console. It ain't much to it. But we're gonna get it fitted for him in there and go from there, man. All right, Puncho, let's start cutting the sucker out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Take it out.
I think, let me get a tape measure. Get a metro.
3 inches.
Let's get a metro. All right, I got my measurement, my metro. So you see how far it needs to come over on the sides. See the gap? So now you got to make it look as clean as possible if you're going to do a swap. I be seeing some swaps, man. Golly, I be trying not to say nothing. But golly, the thought, man, y'all just slap Bondo everywhere. But hey, they paying you for it. So we need to take this sucker back at least 7 inches.
7?
So we need to take at least 7 inches off of this console. Oh, no. Sorry, not 7. Yes, we need to take 7 off. At least 7 inches. So we're going to start by shrinking it on the back side first and shrinking it on the side second. So we definitely need to take at least 7 inches off to get it to sit in there. And we're going to make it look perfect. Y'all see the big monies for the win, baby. All the old interior pieces. So we got to figure out what we're going to do as far as the back seats go. What we're going to do in the back seats. Let's say the customer originally wanted to do all red on the inside. Now he done changed his heart, changed his mind. And I wanted to do something a little different anyway. So we're going to get 7 inches off of this thing. Hold on a second. Start by taking all your old pieces off, all your old trim pieces. The side pieces, take them off. One more. So we gutting it down now. We gutting it down. You got to start with that. So I said at least 7 inches. I wouldn't lie. Oh, yeah. So after we take it off, we're gonna strip all of the old leather off. Then we'll pull all of the old leather off, so that way we can Bondo and fiberglass to it, and our stuff stick for a very long time. Look good? That's a long time. So after that, we'll be pulling all of the old material off. So let me make my line so we can cut it. All right, yeah, now we can get a nice clean line here. 1 second. All right, so y'all see where I make my line at. So the rest of that is coming off of here. Real short dash, ain't it? The rest of that is coming off. So that's the first cut we're gonna try, see if that works. Then we'll trim a little bit more and add what we need. That's about that on that, man. Boy, I got my weapon of choice here, this big Sawzall. Oh yeah, I slice through that thing in 2 minutes. It don't take long with that. Dash swap 101. All right, so y'all see what's left. So we took 7 inches off of it. We didn't clean the back side up yet, but we can always bring it out. Okay.
Cut the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Now we'll cut that bottom. You see, now we got room once we pull it up to be able to at least turn your key. So let's trim that bottom off. Let's trim that bottom so it'll start sitting flat. Yep. Hold on. Use, take this out. Take that middle piece.
No, man, it's good.
That's the speaker. This is going to end up being our defrost vent.
Speaker, take it out.
The speaker, not yet. Okay, yeah, use the Sawzall. All right, we got it skinned. All right, one more try. One more try. I think we got it from there. We should be able to bill it. Should be able to bill it from there, so. Let's see how well it fit. Now we'll get this windshield pulled so we can get this thing centered. The key factor is to make sure you get it centered behind the steering wheel. You don't want it too far to the left or too far to the right. That's gonna look pretty good. I see we got a little bit more to trim on this back side, but where is it hitting? Oh, the bottom here. Yeah, it's hitting up here. So we got to close that gap off. We got to close that gap off right there. Oh yeah, I see it. I see where it's hitting. All right, that was the last cut. I couldn't show y'all what the special requirement was on that one. But that did the trick, baby. That did the trick, baby. All right, so that was the last cut. Now we can get the glass man out here, pull that windshield out so we can get a nice tight finish the way we want it, get the windshield tinted and put back in all at the same time. All right, man, so I'm gonna keep y'all updated on this process. We finna get everything aligned up, centered up. I'm gonna be back in a minute. Me and Puncho.